motivate, 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 motivate. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I will be organizing a spare room that I have. I have been procrastinating on cleaning this room up, and I don't know why, because I really want to make it my in-home office. So today, I am going to tackle this task and get everything squared away so I can really do exactly what I want to do with this spare room, besides make it into a junk room, which is what it has become. But I do want to share with you these 3 items that I picked up to help me along with organizing some of my things. So I picked up this 24 pocket over the door shoe organizer. I got this from Walmart and it was like $7. Second thing that I picked up out of Walmart are these storage bins. These bins are so freaking cute. They are not your typical, regular, plain, boring bins. When I seen this, the sparkles that's in it is so pretty. And then the detail, the gold and the white tassels on it, just get into this. Oh, and third thing that I have to have are trash bags, because I will be getting rid of a lot of stuff in this room, so I have to have my trash bags nearby. I'm going to go ahead and show you how this room is looking right now. I'm just tickled because I can't believe, and I'm normally organized, but this room has become the official junk room. I have Christmas ornaments just laid out, Christmas gifts, like actually not even a Christmas gift, that's like a fake box, but my lighting and shoes, like I was telling you earlier, clothes that I need to go through and give away, boxes, comforters, everything you can name. It's everywhere. And look, these suitcases, they go into the trash. They are beat all the way up.
Once again. Once again.
Hey guys, I am done cleaning my room. Let me show you the situation. This is complete. I am done. It is clean. I have my office equipment in the corner, a bookshelf with some little decor items that reflects me. I still need to pick up a few things. I have my shoes organized with the Christmas wreath on the back of the door. Everything that I kept, I just put it in some big bins and put it in the closet. And on the opposite side of my room is completely nothing, because I have a desk that's coming in and I will be getting ready for making my office or whatever. So if you do want a video of that, please comment that down bottom in the comment section, and I will provide you with that information. Until then, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.